I don't want to show anybody this. You can see that I'm packing a load here. So here, hold on. I gotta pull up these pants, make sure that they're up. Okay, so here it comes. Ready or not, here I come. I'm gonna find you. Now look at all of this belly. OMG. This is what happens when you just sit around and not work and take your dogs to the park every now and then, which should be daily, but you don't want to get off of your butt and do it. So you eat, and this is the result. If you don't work, you shouldn't be eating a lot. So I'm turning. Oh, Lordy, have mercy. This is a shame. I know. Oh, wait. So let's see if I can shake this fat off with my vibrating machine. Yay! But that's fat. Shaking is fat. Shaking the fat. Oh, shaking the fat. So this is me standing on one end of it. And I'm gonna, as you can see, is also shaking my arms. And I'm gonna turn around and hold on. Make sure I'm looking. I don't wanna step. Okay. Now check that out. That's now if you're standing up, this is me squeezing the glutes. Arms up. Squeezing the glutes. Hi. Hey. Look at all that fat. I look like a big pregnant belly. That's a shame when you're not pregnant. Oh my goodness. Okay. So yeah. Squeezing the buttocks. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around. Okay, they're standing on it. Okay, I'm coming around. Oh, you see that fat right there? Coming around. And all right. Hold on. That's the back. Okay, that's me loosening up. There you go, right there. You hear it? I just feel the fat shaking. Now if I come down just a little bit, like this, I can feel my inner thighs. But if I come up just a little bit, but knees still bent, I can feel not only the inner thighs, but the upper thighs. And stand up just a little bit more, but my knees are still bent somewhat. You can feel it all in your buttocks. And if you stand straight up and squeeze the glutes, this is what you get. Just squeezing them. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. I could feel it. I could feel it all in my upper back. I could feel it all in my hip, in my sides. Just fat shaking. Now, in order for this to work, I already know that I have to. Okay, hold on. I'm just loosening up. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is me. I'm not squeezing my glutes or anything. I'm just kind of bending over to get the full effect from my legs all the way up. And now over in here is starting to itch from not these muscles and not being used. And that fat being on top of it. But I'm hurting. I mean, I could, not hurting as in, like my shoulders, they've been hurting anyway, all up in here, but not from this machine, from a minor car accident I was in. But oh, that I took some pain medication. I've been taking pain medication for it. But anyway, this, straighten up, back just a little bit. Okay, lean back, push my hips forward, squeezing my glutes, and there you have it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh yeah. Kind of leaning back a little. Boom, boom, ow, ow, boom, boom. Oh my goodness. And leaning backwards just a little bit. Because you can see that. That's not, I mean, some people don't mind having, y'all didn't tell me my crack was showing. Got that plumber's crack back there. Because these pants that were once covering all that up, now no longer covers it up because it's so fat. Fat ass. I don't need no fat ass. I don't need no fat ass. Well, one reason I don't need a fat ass is because I got clothes that are in perfectly shape. Not clothes, but jeans. Like, I have so many pairs of jeans. And I can get in some of them. It's really, really tight. No, I'm not trying to rip my dreams because I got a fat ass and I can't keep food out of my mouth too. Including junk food, sodas, chips, candy. You know, I gotta get back to real food. Real food. Okay, I'm turned around. I'm turning around, right? Here. Oh my goodness. Y'all just don't know. Hold on, because I know you can see all over there, but I'm going to turn around this way because you get a better view of this fat shaking. It's just so much fat. Oh my goodness. This is craziness. Ow, 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 my. Okay, so I'm gonna go up just a little bit. I can feel, now it's going all the way up my arms. But mainly, I'm just trying to get, I don't know how many times a day I should be doing this, but it lasts for anywhere from 9 minutes to 20 minutes, and I think I have it on 9 minutes right now. So when I do this, you can tell all of that. Sorry to show everybody my back fat crack. Oh my God. Oh, okay. So I'm beginning to itch right now. I can feel the itching, but I'm beginning to feel the itch. I can feel my arms, the fat in my arms. Oh, good. Thank you, Jesus, that it's finally finished. All right, so that's day 1. And today is the 12th of March. We'll see what happens. Thank you for watching.